very good morning here on a Tuesday morning in Dubai. It's 9:45 a.m. in Dubai, and the most beautiful city in the Middle East. And if you are joining, you might see the craziness, absolutely insaneness. Is this even a word? I don't know. However, you see, the market yesterday, I would say, really reacted in the way where many people want to go now. So I think, if you're looking into, this is something that we will do this morning, if you're looking to what people are searching for, in Google Trends, for example, then you see less and less people are actually caring about what is really happening in the health crisis. So for that, I want to show you real quick Google Trends, and then you can see that you can go here on Google Trends. This is like a small tool that is very important for investing, I believe. And here you can put how much people looked, for example, for a special term, right? And as you see, this is going straight down. So not much interest anymore, compared to March. Obviously, here was the peak. But even the last couple of months, it's heavily declining here, as you can see. So more and more people don't really bother what's going on. We don't have big news. We definitely waiting for seeing more and more data coming in to see if there is a chance of a second wave. This would be dramatic, and this would be the news connected, this is important, connected to lockdowns or other restrictions that influence the economy, because we can have a second wave that is not so bad, and after all, you see a couple of, restrictions, but the economy would move forward, and we are not taken by surprise once this hit us again, because we know now what is working, what is not working, what is maybe too much, right? So this is important, and we know how the economy react. This is also important in my personal opinion. So it seems for now that the party can go on. How far can we go? I think we can see all-time highs by the end of summer. As I said, beginning of September, where I see the end of summer, beginning of fall, we can see the all-time highs, maybe even the S&P at 4,000 or 5,000, right? Who knows? Let's have a look into how the futures are looking. So the futures are looking quite steady, as you can see. So both indexes, Nasdaq as well as Dow futures, not a crash or a downturn from yesterday. S&P also holding quite heavily good. So I'm super excited if we can follow this trend. There's people out there, guys, who make really, really big money. Okay, so I have seen tweets that people invested $10,000 into Hertz when it filed for bankruptcy, and then now it went to 120 or something, $120,000 out of $10,000. And you have these opportunities. Look at Carnival, it tripled, right? Or almost tripled. Look at Lufthansa, right? 20-30%. Imagine people are doing leverage in this market. So, it's not a good time right now to be bearish, I think, because the all the factors that are showing us right now are really bullish, guys. Okay, so we have the recovery, we have reopening of the economy, we have people are going into the market, we have liquidity, we have the airbag, right? We have the airbag. The government is currently the airbag. If something happens, we know that the government is there to bail out or to help with more stimulus. You have seen that the Federal Reserve in the US, every time the market went down, went into, news, because just before of opening the market, they try to stabilize it and say, we are buying corporate debt now, or we have quantitative easing without any limits. We put as much as money as possible without any limits, guys. And obviously this kind of thing is helping stocks and economy and investors to feel safe, to invest more, and therefore you see all of this is really good playing out for now. What will be the long-term consequences, nobody knows. So let's have a look what is important today in the market. This is important to always look into the economic calendar. Just type in Google economic calendar, and then you will see what is important for today. And as you can see, this is a quite nice one. I think it's from fxstreet.com or something like that. So shout out to them making the effort of this calendars. As you can see, there's a column with impact, which are the most important ones. So you see here the trade balance in Germany, you see the unemployment rate in Switzerland, and then you actually see the most important events or numbers will be the Europe gross domestic product, okay, quarter over quarter for Q1 and year over year Q1. So we will see how this impacted the growth of the euro, and expected is 3.8% minus for the quarter over quarter and 3.2% minus year over year. This will heavily depend how the Europe market will react today, and if this numbers will be better than expected, that we saw could happen quite easily, as with the job numbers on Friday, which I still believe in the US is a huge driver for the current push in the rally. Okay, I think that is really important to understand which factors are driving the market. And then it's a lot of FOMO as well. I think fear of missing out. People see, I want to be part of that. I want to make money, especially in this uncertain times, right, where people are losing their jobs or feel insecure or I think lots and lots of people, I'm seeing it by myself, friends, people are asking more and more how to invest into the stock market, and therefore I see there's a lot of money coming in. However, this will be important for today. I think if those numbers can beat the expectations, obviously this will be very bullish for the Europe market. The Europe market is following the US market also very bullish right now. Let me see if I can pull out some pre-market percentages here. Let me have a look. So let us see. What do we have here? No, that's not the one. I'm looking for the German. German DAX, but I cannot find it right now. Here it seems to be a tracker. Okay, here it seems to be a tracker of the DAX, so this is fine enough. So you can see here that it's slightly negative, but also holding up. I think the DAX is somewhere around 12,000, so this is about right. So as you can see, also the Europe market is stabilized. They're waiting for the numbers, obviously, right? This will be the very important part as of today in Europe. Other than that, I think we can be very much riding those waves now. So enjoy. I hope you are invested right now. And what else can I say? There's still 2 more contents from my side today. Make sure to like this live stream, this quick update on the market, so you know what is going on. A lot of work is going into this videos and live streams, so make sure to thumb up. This is highly appreciated, and I see you later on with a daily vlog, as well as tonight with my longer live stream where we talk about the whole situation and the whole market just before the market close in the US. So I wish you a very nice day or night if you are watching this by an evening, if you're living more west from Dubai. So thank you very much, and see you later. Thank you.